Alright, welcome back. This is part 3 of my role cosplay experience. This time we've got Sucrose up for being opened. I don't have her wig yet. I didn't buy her wig from them. This was about as far as my budget could take me. So I will be getting my wig, I think, from Amazon. We'll be trying that out. But let's see what RoleCos's Sucrose cosplay is all about. It looks like we've got some shinier vinyl this time. Oh, these are for her shoulders. They've just got little safety pins on the side there. And this is layered actually really nicely. This is supposed to be like the metal bits on her shoulders, I think. That's pretty clean. I think I almost prefer this like really shiny vinyl over the other stuff. The backing on this is a little bit more like leather. It's not like felt, and I like that a lot actually. Oh my god. These are the bottles on her belt. These are adorable. It looks like oh, they've got little clips. Okay. Okay. So these can clip to her belts. They've just like hot glued these little alligator clips on the back, and they're actually surprisingly sturdy. These are metal. And then for the details, we have more of that same shiny vinyl, and they like printed some pictures off. This feels like straight up printer paper, like inkjet printer paper. I think if you get these wet, they would probably be ruined. And it doesn't seem like we can open the bottles. I think I might break them. These are like sprayed, and you can see on the back like they missed some of the area. This one isn't though. They got this one pretty good. They're actually clear on the bottom. So you can see looks like they sprayed the caps gold as well. So they just they're pretty cute though. I don't know. I'm charmed by these for some reason. It's a great solution to that problem, I think. This looks like her hat. And they've put everything inside of her hat, which is really nice. Oh, her vision and okay. Yeah. Okay, they layered her Mondstadt vision. Let me take it out of the bag. Actually better than I think they have executed the other ones. They did just kind of a solid shape for the other ones, but this one they actually have all of the little levels. Her vision is actually really nice comparatively. Again, it's kind of like that foam-backed situation, but I'm glad that they took the time to add the little details to this one. I think that goes a long way. Her hat, oh my god. This is very cute. It's not elasticy though, so best hope our head fits this. Print looks pretty good. Stitching looks pretty good. Everything's pretty clean. I'm just a little worried about how this is gonna stay on my head. That looks kind of small, especially once I get a wig on and my hair up inside of it. We might have to pin this on because no elastic, unfortunately. And then what do we got here? Oh, these are her little armbands. They're not stretchy though. Oh, okay. I was just gonna try and slide my hand in there, but yeah, they must just go on and then close like that. The print on this is great. It is just one piece of fabric. It looks like they use some sort of liquid stitch on the edge so it doesn't fray. Details are okay if you're looking to get adventurous with some foam on your own. This might be one of the pieces to remake. We have a little bow with just a safety pin on the back. We've got some clear straps. I'm assuming that'll be for her top. Her little gloves. Gussets on these look great. Oh, her glasses! Okay, and she has another one of these little fur collars. This one, we've got the buttons on there, so we'll look for... Oh, Oh, maybe it is just one. I think this might go around her neck. So that might be all there is to it. Loop on this side, button on the other. Her glasses. Oh my god, these are very cute. These are very cute. There are some like bundles on Amazon where you can get her wig and her glasses, but this makes it very easy. I will just get her wig. These do feel a little fragile, a little frail. Oh my god. Okay, so first of all, these are lensless. Second of all, they have straight up just cut the tops off of a pair of circle lenses. Like these they like ripped those right off the top. I would say if you're worried about poking your eyes, maybe just be aware that these are like raw broken edges. So just be careful. And these must be your stockings. Yeah. Oh yeah, those are nice. They do feel like stocking material, so if you've got nails like me, or you just want to be a little careful when you put these on, otherwise you're gonna rip these. They would break like real nylons. Because I think they might be actually nylons. So just be careful. And then her outfit, let's see. Okay, so her cape's on bottom here, and then the main part with the bloomers is right here. Oh, and they have, okay, they actually put cups inside here. I hope that those will fit me. We're gonna find out. These seem like they might be A or B cups. Oh, and here's the attach for that invisible strap, invisible strap, so this stays up. Detail in the front. It's pretty nice. They have the this part layered over the bloomers, which is good to see. No lining on the front of the leg here, so this might be a little scratchy if you're sensitive to that. The inside is super soft. Like, this part is ridiculously soft. Oh, and here are her garters. Or at least one of them. Is there two? Oh yeah, here we go. So they attached those right to the bottom of this. Yeah, these are actually super cute. I like these garter straps. And they seem super sturdy as well. I can appreciate that. This is very see-through though. Very see-through. So if this is too short to cover your behind, your butt might be out. We'll find out. It might be. I have kind of a long torso, so my concerns are coverage. We'll find out though. It looks like the back of this got a nice belt. Let's close it up in the back. Ah, pretty straightforward. And then the zipper goes down most of the way. Ruffles on this look great though. This is all lined. That's pretty nice. Alright. And then her cape. Oh, and her... Okay, so they did her cape and her sleeves all in one piece. So this is like a little bolero. Oh my god, my white balance. Hold on. That's a little less like we're in the Rapture. So the print on this looks great. Really clean. And there's no like weird seams that we can see through on the other side. They did just like straight up stitch this onto the backing so you can see the stitches on there, but that's okay. That's facing the inside. Her sleeves are really clean too. What's this? Oh, this is okay. So her little like ascot kind of thing. And this just Velcros. That's really easy to get into. That's awesome. Design on the back. Really nice gradient. They did a good job on this part. And this is really light and flowy. It might not sit like perfectly rigid on your back, but if you're trying to do like a cape flip photo, that could actually look really great. If anything, print is maybe a little dull on the bottom, but All in all, this looks great. Absolutely. Alright, future Shino is gonna get a Sucrose wig, and then we're gonna try this the heck on, and I'll let you know what's up. I will be right back. So starting with the cape, this cosplay is ridiculously cute. Like, I am in love with the back of this. It lays a little weird sometimes, but when you straighten it out, like, it's gorgeous. Overall, this cosplay is actually pretty comfortable to wear. There are just a couple issues. The tights were really nice. I did have the problem where the clip made that little piece run right away, and these little triangles wouldn't stay down, which is kind of frustrating. But the lace, the ruffles, all the little details, like, they come together really well, and this is a really cute cosplay. That top pin actually sits pretty well, but I did have a little bit of an issue where this neckline is kind of tight. You can see where it's just a little rough on my neck there, but it wasn't too bad, just a little snug. These shoulder pieces are only on here by one clasp, so it makes them a little floppy. I feel like there's maybe a better way to keep them secure, but they actually stayed in place surprisingly well. Another issue I had was just the print on the front getting a little stretched out. It wasn't the best. I think because these tights ran right away, I might end up replacing them with some kind of wool sock that would hold up a little bit better. It was kind of a bummer to have those break. Another issue that I just ran into this was the cuffs for the glove slipping over. Just because it's heavier, like, it slides to the bottom. I almost wish that they would have made this one piece, because this is kind of frustrating. So yeah, I guess my only other real note is that this top was too tight. It was like kind of too tight along my arms. That line right there is where it's too tight, right at my bicep. They like graded it so it's straight all the way down, and that's not how my arms work. Not even like a little bit. So I'll have to fix that, but that's okay. Oh yeah, it was just a little hard to lift my arms up or anything, but that's really my only other complaint. This cosplay was super cute. So yeah, all said and done, I think I would give this cosplay probably a B. There were some pieces that needed a little help, but on the whole, it was actually pretty solid. I would say if you have wider arms, just be a little bit careful with the top. And I guess a bigger bust, like, that's gonna stretch out too, but if this is on sale, I say, hey, go for it. Just maybe don't pay like over $130 for it. I don't think it's worth that much. Yeah, solid B cosplay, and I'm actually really looking forward to wearing this a little bit more once I fix that top jacket specifically, so it's just a little more comfortable to wear. Hey, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I appreciate you giving me your time today. If you want to support the channel by giving this a like or subbing, that would be amazing. Otherwise, my next video is actually going to be how I made these ears for Sucrose. So if you were looking at those and you were wondering, wait, where did those come from? I made them from scratch. That'll be the next video that I put up on this channel, and when it's ready, I'll just put a link down in the comments.